If you like this makeup video, so you should. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to do a super simple quick, this is like a 5 minutes quick makeup. I will just take the eyeshadow palette from Nykaa and I'm gonna take this brown color and then I'll mix these two colors, like this one, and I'll take this one. I want a matte finish over my eyes. After taking these two shades over my eyes, sorry, I get this up. Dab or like blend at the same time. I don't know how you guys go for it. And after this, I'll take and I'll curl my lashes. This color bar thing, and I'll just do this upward. I'm like turning towards the top because there is no line. Mascara I'm using is from Better Than 6. I'm not putting too much, I'm just applying. So these are the lashes from the Kingdom of Lashes Twinkle. You would all tail. So after putting these lashes, I'll just I'm gonna use this as a primer. This primer is really good. I mean, like, being over 15 or 2 weeks, I'm using it. So after putting this primer around my face, I'm gonna use this foundation. This is from Born This Way, and I had tried like earlier. A little bit coverage, that's why we are gonna apply these ones. So I will just dab into my skin, blender, and I'll just dab so that it goes into my skin. And before going for a concealer, I'll just pick the same brush and the same brown color. This one. The darker one, I'll just take a lighter color, lighter brown, and I'll just apply it to my, take a little bit like this brush from this, take a little bit of this black color. You see this black shade, and I'll like add add it over here to get a little bit. Here's my concealer. Blend it. After that all, I'll just take a yellow sort of pouch and I'll do the same thing. I'm taking as my blush. I'll just take a highlighter. You can take any glowing stuff. I'll take the highlighter from WETnWILD. And I'm gonna apply this blushing on Venice. I'll just screwed up. And I'll just take this thing, apply over here. After the blush and highlighter, I'll just apply the lip liner, and for lip liner I'll be taking this one. It's Vanity. Just apply this and I'll take my next. This is my cousin gifted me and I love this. You can go with any nude lipstick even. I like the pink color. And after this all, you just have to take a spray. Where are you spray? I'll take the spray from this one and dry. This is a quick makeup. Just have a quick look if I missed out something. So I'll take the same palette. Very quick, and at the same time you can look glam. You don't need to put so many things to look beautiful, you just have to smile. This is what I feel like. Be happy, be around, and just smile. If you like this makeup video, you should. So please subscribe, share, comment, and let me know do you really like it. And follow me on Instagram and YouTube.
And maybe you should subscribe all the time. And I said who's not sleeping, who got your fever?
Is the makeup?
Coronavirus in the town.
मो तू बैकग्राउंड में आने वाली है.